Alright, welcome back you guys. Last time I know we started this motor up, sounded pretty good, so I said I was going to change the oil and do a little bit of fluid change and the coolant change and everything, kind of get this engine back running smoother. I did put some detergent in the oil, just wanted to clean off that gunk and stuff, some seafoam in there, and I did leave it running a couple of times for a long period of time. I actually added some more gas, fresh gas in it, some more gas treatment, and what I noticed turning it on for the past 2 times, well, I'll let you hear it. This is what happens. So it ran smooth at first, but now you're gonna hear a clicking noise from the top part of the motor on the passenger side, I think. So there's that ticking noise, and it's coming from, I believe, this area right here, towards the back. Now, some might hear this ticking noise, and I guess 15 years ago I would just say that this engine's done. Probably a rot shot up or something broken inside the motor, a piece of metal, anything like that. But even if I would have taken it to a mechanic, he would have just said, you know what, your engine's totaled. But now, having the little bit of knowledge that I have about the motors and everything, or rockers, they're either loose or they're too tight, they've been sitting for too long, and I just have to pop either this side or the other side of the cover, open it up and run the engine and see if any one of them makes that tapping noise, and I believe that is the problem. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start with that side, the passenger side. So I believe it's on that side, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so I went ahead and I did the other side already, the passenger side. I didn't hear anything from there. Everything was intact, nothing loose. This side, same thing. I'm gonna turn on the motor, see, you guys can see that it still makes that noise. So now I'm a little worried about maybe one of the rods in there or something. So let's turn this on. Alright, so I guess we're gonna investigate more, see what's causing that noise. We'll keep at it. Alright guys, so I think I figured it out. Last time I opened this thing up, this side, wasn't it. So I came back to this side because the sound was isolated to about right in this area. So I went ahead and took off the cover again, and I started basically just inspecting these one by one, and I mean, there shouldn't be that much movement until I came to this one. And there you have it. I believe this rod right here is busted from the inside and the bottom part, because this thing is tight, not loose or anything. I tried tightening it up and it wouldn't go anymore, so I'm pretty sure this thing's all busted up. And all the other ones perfectly fine. This one's the one. So now I believe what happened was, when I did change the oil, took the old oil out, put some new ones, put some additive in there, some seafoam to clean up the thing. I was gonna run this thing, but one thing I did do that was wrong of me was I revved up the engine pretty hard, and I don't think I should have done that. I did hear some people online, you know, in the videos saying do not rev up the engine, let the engine slowly kind of you know, clean up itself a little bit, and then change the oil and then run it again for a little bit longer once it's loosened up a bit, because it was sitting for about 15 years, over 15 years I should say, and I think that's what happened. So again, it ran smooth the first time I turned it on for you guys, but then that rattle started, so I do believe that's what the problem was. Again, my bad, and I'm gonna have to fix it. So hard way of fixing it: pull this motor out, get underneath it, take the pan out, fix the problem, put it back in. Easy way: pull the engine out and the transmission and find you know, another motor, another transmission to put in it. I really like this motor though. I mean, it still runs. It will still run if I, you know, put a little bit more time into it. So what do you guys think? Let me know, please. Let me know before I pull this thing out and do something stupid. So let me know, and thanks again for watching, for listening, and give me your just send me your thoughts. What do you think? Yes, I know I'm stupid, but send me your thoughts. I did this, so I'm gonna correct it. I'll see you next time.